morning. We're here in my studio in Hookstown, Pennsylvania. My name is Bob Rupert, and we're going to do some exploration in hot metal. What we're going to use today is we're going to use a gas forge. We're going to be manipulating found objects, which are pieces of tubular pipe that are hollow form, and we're going to reshape them into their second life, which will be something similar to this. You can see the differences between the two, and it is quite exciting. We'll be using the traditional hand hammer and anvil, and we'll also be using power equipment that's behind me. See how it's starting to push it out. Cool. Now we're going to move on to a different medium, still hot metal work, and we're going to do a column of solid stock. And this has been pre-cut, and we've done a model of that, and the model is this. This is about 1 inch square, and it has been reshaped into its second life. Move up. Objects that we've made prior to this, as you can see, it's been the hollow tube or column has been incised on the sides, and the top's been belled out and reduced in here. It gives you this form, more of a vase style form, and there's variations of those. I'll set them up here so Jim can photograph them. And then one of the ones we did today was this one. I thought was quite unique. And what you can do with these is they would become a vessel. And you can see what this looks like in its finished form. Would have a lid that would be forged, and bottom. To create a vessel. And to push it a little bit further, hollow form, which was cut and shaped with a copper organic form installed, winds up to be a flower bud. So you can see the transformation from the common pipe tubular form, square form, into a organic shape. Another continuation of that form is to actually collapse it upon itself, which winds up to be a big ripple in the piece. You can see the effects of that. And then another ending form would be to take the vessel and to forge a rose and put a rose in the vessel, so you've got a organic flower that you don't have to water. Moving on to the solid stock, you can see how these pieces have been reduced. They've actually been cut and reduced to form figures. And the form we did today, column reduction, in solid square, 1.5 inches. Didn't go exactly as we planned, but that's what the experiment's all about, is to have fun with this and to see what actually will happen, what the possibilities are. And these possibilities here are quite endless, I think, to have a lot of fun with and to see what shapes that you can create. So there you have today's experiment in hot metal work, and I think it was quite a lot of fun for me. So I'm Bob Rupert, and this is coming to you from Hookstown, Pennsylvania. Thank you.